Okay, so here after long time, right? So it is there. Now I'm going to create a text page, something. Go to format and font size because visibility is important. 16, 18, 20, anything bold. Okay, so this is Latif hyphen C1. Okay, so this is the computer name, and I want to check my IP address, and here is 130. I have a two adapters anyway. I am taking 130. This is my IP address. 192.168. So 2.130. Okay. Now, what is my remote PC? What is the name of the remote PC is WinC1, and IP address of remote PC is 192.168.2.227. Okay, what is the account? Student 1. Password is Vedic @ 123. So I got the details of my remote PC. Okay, I got the details of my remote PC. This is the remote PC details. This is my PC, means this is the current PC, right? So like that. We'll keep it like that. So instead of writing a notebook, you can't see my notebook, right? So I'm writing on my notebook. So this is my PC details. My PC is a WinC1. This is my username. What is my username? Student 1. Password is Vedic @ 123. So this is my details. Remote PC details means I have another PC that is 192.168.2.130. What is a remote PC? Name is Latif C1. Okay, and user, which user is student 1, student only. Password is admin @ 123. Of course, small letters you should give anything. Okay, this is my PC in this side, so two sides. Okay, so I'll keep it one side. Now guys, I'm going to create a folder in my WinC1. So I'm creating a folder instead of using an existing one. I put a name of the folder is data1. I'm putting a folder name is data1. Okay, so in the data1 I'm going to put some files for whether I'm accessing this one or not, like that, right? So I put a name like s1, and you can put it like share file s1, save, and you can put another files also. Your wish, like s2, s2, something. Hi s2, save it. Then I'm closing it. Okay, now see, this is the data1. Right click, I created a two files inside. Okay, right click on the folder, go to properties. You can see the right click on the folder, go to properties. Now can you see the data1 properties? This is a sharing tab, this is security tab, and this is sharing tab. Okay, so first we'll see the sharing. If sharing is not good, then we can go to the security also. Sharing is for share, security for access. Like even you can able to access the shared folder, but you cannot able to access the files inside. Then we have to change the security permissions also. Okay, but here only we do sharing only. When you do share, you can use this one, the first one. You can use this one. It's a simple one. I'm canceling it. Okay, or you can use advanced sharing. You can use this sharing, or you can use advanced sharing. I'm canceling it, and see, if you are right click share with, this is also sharing only. There is a three ways you can able to share it. So right click share with specific people, stop sharing, share to someone particular user, like that you can able to share it. Okay, like that, or you can right click, go to properties, go to sharing tab, and then you can use first sharing or second sharing. But I want to tell advanced sharing only. Anytime you share it, better is always advanced sharing. This is the correct sharing method, neither this one nor that one. Okay, this is the original correct sharing method. Always use advanced sharing, always use advanced sharing. So I'm clicking on advanced sharing. Listen carefully, because last time or before all batches, so some people, what do, they don't listen. So sharing is there, okay, they will click on something. You have to control proper sharing. So advanced sharing, click on advanced sharing, and check this one, share this folder, share this folder. You want to share with the same name, you want to share with the same name, like a data one, we can share it. Or other person don't should not know what is your name, I put a share one. Okay, I remove data one, I put a share one. So other person, people who are accessing my share folder, they don't know my directory name, they know only share one only. So just to make it a different name, so we can use it. Okay, permissions. So then you can see the permission comment is there, permission is there. How many people can able to access simultaneously? For example, in my network I have a 10 people are there, so I will put a 10. Yeah, in my network I have only one person is there, like only one person can able to share at a time, because network load increases. For example, I have for 10 GB data is there, everybody is accessing, almost 20 members are accessing, means lot of load on network. So to avoid that one, you can put it in one two three, like that. Maybe five people are there, so you can share to five people at a time. Limit number of simultaneous users. It means number of people can able to access, but simultaneously limitation we can able to create it. That is a 20 by default is there. You can change it to 2 3 4 5. Maybe I will change it to 5. So what will happen? Okay, like that. So my client is only one client only there, but it's okay. You can put a comment for that one if you want it. And go to permissions, go to permissions, check everyone is there. Okay, good. So now we are not limiting by user, we are not limiting to user, we are giving to everyone. And also we are giving yellow full control, yellow full control. Why? So people can able to access your data, they can able to add something to your data also. I'm giving full control. Understand? Apply. Okay, apply. Okay, okay. Now it is shared. If you want to see again, go to properties, sharing. So automatically network path is came. Automatically network path slash computer name slash share one. Okay, slash computer name share one. This is for remote purpose. Okay, so this is, I already copied this one, slash. My computer name is this one. I didn't change my computer name. I have to change the computer name, but I didn't change it. Okay, share name is share one, but the name is data one, but I change the share name. Now how to access? Now how to access? We done sharing, completed. Now how to access? While accessing, if you are facing a problem, then we will see. This is my PC IP address. Remember, this is my PC where we shared, that is the IP address. Where we share, that is the IP address. Okay, this is IP address, username and password. So that is, we have to remember that one. Remote PC. Okay, okay. So this is the IP address of that PC. I'm accessing from here. So I'm going to run. So I'm keeping it in the middle so you can view easily. these slashes, remember these slashes, not this one, not this one, these slashes, remember these slashes, and IP address of that PC. You said IP address, right? So 227. This is the IP address of that PC. Click OK. Now it is trying to get it. It is asking for a username and password. Username of that PC only. Password is that PC password is Vedic @123, right? Click OK. Now I got the shared folder. Open it and see the data. So data is same. So I open from there. So just remember the background also. Okay. Like that. Have you seen this thing? This is in our, we are in different PC. I can do it my physical PC also. I can do it in my physical PC also. But if I do my physical PC, sometimes it is crashing. That's why I'm not doing in my physical PC. So entire my explorer.exe is getting crashed. So that's why I'm not doing. So here, what we done? So we have to type here. I have a PC name C1. This is the first one. This is my first PC. Point this is my PC name. Then what is the IP address here? 192.168.2.227. What is the username I'm using here? Student1. And password is Vedic @123. Okay. Next, what have we done? I created a file folder. The folder name is data1, and inside I created a files s1 and s2. Both are .exe files only, txt files only. Okay. um I created. Okay, so you remember what you done, right? Now on data1, what I done? So I go to the properties. Step by step you have to remember, guys. Properties, sharing tab. Click on sharing tab. That's a sharing tab. Okay. Then go to advanced sharing or advanced sharing. So just check it. Advanced sharing. So in that one, I put a share this folder. But share it. So once again, better once you look at that one, check the steps, properties, sharing, advanced sharing. Okay, advanced sharing. Share this folder. I'm right. Okay. Then check the advanced sharing. Then okay, and also change. I change the name. Name I changed it. Okay, I share the chain name. So to share one. That's a fun, just for fun only. Like that's the possibility I ever try to say. And I limit access, like a simultaneous access. I'm not typing that one, so just limit access to 5. It is your wish. If you limit or not, no problem. Then go to permissions. And permissions, make sure everyone is there. Okay, and then everyone, yellow, full control. I check that one. Okay, full control, yellow, check mark. So completed sharing. Okay, apply. Okay. Okay. So how many OKs are there? You can check it. Okay, this is the first step completed. Second, here it is access. Sharing is whatever it is, but access is important. Okay, access, sharing is important. So how to do it? So go to run, put this slash slash and put your remote IP server, means where you share it. So that one we required IP address. Once you put it, there is a box will open. So give the username student1 because that is the PC. Okay, Vedic 1 to 3. Okay, then share will be open. Okay. Then what will happen? The sharing folder will be open and you can access it. Verify. So this is your first part. And there is a troubleshooting part also there. So I will go to the troubleshooting part. Um, okay, so um, before going to troubleshooting part, remember guys, I always share from win c1 and I will always access from c1, latif c1. Okay, remember that one. Of course, what is this cache? So one more point is there. What is this cache? Okay, if in case it is in network, right? It is in network. If it is in network, what will happen? Sometimes network disturbance, you can't able to access the data, right? Every time you have to sync the data, you can't able to access the data. But in cache mode, it will store in your PC. Okay, I have a remote server. In a remote server, data is there. I am accessing through sharing. If any case network disturbance is there, still I can able to access the data. How? The what are you access the data earlier when network is there, that time you whatever the data you accessed it, that stores in your PC in cache mode. In cache mode. Okay, so that is a cache. So don't worry about cache, don't know to do anything. Now I'm going to create another folder, data2, and I'm putting some files inside. Now I put a q1. Anything you can put it, no problem. WWA, anything, just put some data. Okay. Now I have a two folders are there, right? Data one already shared, data two sharing. Again, see the sharing. Properties, sharing, advanced sharing. Share this folder. I'm not changing the name, guys. I'm not changing the names. I'm not doing anything. Just simple. Yellow. Full control. Yellow. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Close. Okay. Sharing is done. Now access it. Access it. How to access? Same thing. Run slash slash. Remember these slashes. Slash slash win c1 IP address. Okay. Already we given username password, right? Now it is remember. If you log out login, maybe it will forget, but it is remember. So it's showing data 2. It is showing share 1. Why? Because I changed the name share name to share 1. That's why it is showing share 1 only. But here I didn't change any name. I put a share name is also same name as a data 2. So that's the difference. Files are there. You can able to access the files because I given a full control. This is another thing. Okay. This is one kind of sharing. So that's the difference by changing sharing name and all. If you want to share, change the share name, you can put it. Otherwise, you don't need to do it also. I'm going to another one, data 3. Inside a data 3, just you can put anything, some files, whatever it is there inside. I don't mind about it. Okay. So I put a 3 files in my data 3. Right click, properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder. Here I want to change the whatever it is. So keep it like data 3 only. I put a dollar, that's it. I'm not changing anything, just I put a dollar. Same thing, data 3 is there and I put a dollar, that's it. After 3 dollar, no spaces, just dollar. And remember, in a sharing, don't give spaces in a folder names. Okay, give a dollar. Just I given a dollar permissions like this, apply, okay. I so remember, like data 1, data 2, any change is there except dollar is the difference, remaining is no difference. Apply, okay. So can you see this dollar, same thing. So earlier it is a share 1, next is data 2, now it is a data 3 with dollar. Dollar is extra, except that one everything is same, all are same steps only. Just I add a dollar. Now I'm going to another PC. This is our PC C1. Now same thing, go to run slash slash our win C1 IP address, same thing. Now can you see where is the data 3? Where is data 3? It is not there. I shared it, but it is not showing. It will show. Now see this one. Run slash slash my win C1 IP address slash data 3 dollar, data 3 dollar. Okay. Now it is showing. It means whenever you share the data from your remote PC, if you put a dollar after a share name, so that is called a administrative share or a hidden share. It means if client knows the share name, then only he can able to access, otherwise he can't able to access. Guys, understand? If you know the share name, then only we can able to access, otherwise we can't access. For example, I know IP address and username and password, so I came here, I came to here. Now can I see both the share things? Yes, I don't know from where the data is there, so I will open data 2 and go back. Share 1, go back. I can go. But if I want to access data 3, I should know the name, the share name. I should know the share name. So I put a data 3 dollar, then only I will know. Otherwise, I don't know what it is shared. So that is the dollar. So this is another type of sharing. Okay. 1 second. I have to remove something from here. I think so, not required. So why it is showing you? Okay. So last part in a sharing, troubleshooting, I will tell. Last part in a sharing. So this is a window. I'm in a still Latif C1. Remember, I'm in a Latif C1. I'm clicking on network. Okay. When I click on network and I try to get all the network things should be visible here. It is not getting. Maybe it is having some issue. So no problem. This is URL, right? So slash slash 192 dot. Yeah, you are getting. Okay. In Explorer also you can type slash slash your IP address. You will get it. Guys, see this one. This is one folder, right? So I'm open something. Uh, Look at this one. This is C drive, E drive, F drive, G drive, something. This is a D drive. This is A drive. Why A drive came? We don't know. So for showing something, I got it. So now all okay. So C drive, E drive, F drive, and this is a some shared folder is there. Okay. So it is already there. So don't worry about it. Um, yeah, I tried something here, so that's why it just came up. Okay, guys, this is the drive, right? For example, just for example, I need this share one folder always. So what are the remote PC, what are the remote PC putting a data inside, I should access every time. Every time I have to take the data from it, I have to do some work, and again I have to keep some data in that one. Okay, like that. Maybe for example, Dushant is working in some PC. Prerna is working on another PC, or maybe Kirti is working on another PC. I'm working in this PC. So there is a one server which is having a data. So all we are required to access the data, and also we have to share the data every day, every time, every minute. So can you keep like this always? We can't put it, right? So every time you have to connect the remote PC and access. Um, it is difficult, right? Every time slash slash IP address, like this one. Okay, every time go to slash slash IP address, username, password, authentication. Okay, we are technical people, we should know how to access, but non-technical people don't know how to access it. But so for what is the solution? If you want every time this one, so what is the solution is, click on this shared folder, click on the shared folder, right click. So first click it and right click. You can see map network drive. So I think you can't see what happened. Yeah, this is having a problem, right? This PC, this problem is there. How to search for a searching purpose? Windows F, not working. It's okay. Try to locate, guys. So this PC has a little bit problem of go to this point. Okay, see, it's not right. Okay, try to locate. Right click on this one. Map network drive. So listen carefully. Map network drive. Right click on the shared folder. I already opened shared folder. Map network drive. I'm doing in client side. I'm doing in a client side. Think like Latif C1. It is a Latif C1. Okay. Right click on the shared folder. Map network drive. Map network drive. Okay. So I click on that one. It is showing some drive letter in a reverse order. Normally A B C D E F is there, C D E F G H like that is there, but when it come to the network sharing, it is reverse order. It is Y, it is showing here. You can put X, Y or W, your wish. I'm putting a Y. Okay, leave it for a Y. So reconnect with sign in. Whenever you log in, automatically it will be there. Just finish it. Now it is connected. If you see this PC, can you see share one directly is there. I close it, I minimize, I close this one, everything I got close. I will close everything. So I'm going to Explorer again. See this PC. If you see, this is the white drive. So I'm not open, just it is directly I connected. So if I curate some data here, I'm going to create some data here. I will put a S33. I put it S33 by mm, Latif I C1. So close it, save it. Okay, now I'm going to my first PC. This is my first PC, right? So I put data in this data one, so it is there. Okay, just like your C drive, D drive, you can map your network drive also. Okay, you can map your network, okay, your shared folder as a network drive. This is a shared folder, but now it is become network drive, and the space it is showing, it is a space, free space from the C drive. Okay, so just try. You may not have a two Windows PCs, you have one PC only, but you don't have second PC. You can use it for a physical machine, but I have a little bit problem in my physical machine, that explorer.exe is getting killed, so that's why it is not working. Okay, so this is a third one. Okay, now this is about how to share the folders, but how to troubleshoot it if in case if you got a problem in a sharing access, how to troubleshoot it. So I'm in a client location. So I'm in a client location. I'm going to CMD. So I try to access the shared folder, but it is not connecting. Then what to do? First ping to your remote PC. Ping to your remote PC. Okay. So where it is shared, that PC IP address, remote PC. So I first ping. Make sure it is communicating. If it is not communicating, then start troubleshooting. Okay, if it is not communicating, check why it is not communicating. Network issue, physical connection, protocol, IP address. Check both side IP address, both are in same network or not. Physically connected, same IP network is there or not. Okay, First three octets must be same. That's a very simple formula. Okay, first three octets must be same. That's a simple formula. Okay, is there or not? Then check with the ping. If in case uh, still not pinging, you are getting a request timed out kind of stuff. If you got a request timed out kind of stuff, then go to firewall. Or to go to firewall, go to control panel. Okay, you can find firewall in the control panel itself, like a firewall. Just a firewall. Go to firewall. So turn Windows firewall on or off. Turn Windows firewall on or off, and select these options and click OK. Just click OK. Firewall will be off, and then try once again. Once you try, then later you can turn on it, no problem. Okay, so turn Windows firewall on or off, then turn off the firewall. Okay, so otherwise you can go to advanced settings. Okay, you can go to advanced settings. You can create an exception. Okay, here inbound rules, outbound rules are there, so you can try new rules for that one. So you can go to new rule, or there is a allowed is there. You can try like this one, core networking, IPv4, TCP sharing is there. I have to find that one. Core networking, this is a core networking, TCP/IP, IPv4, ICMP. Yeah, this is ICMP IPv4. Where is ICMP IPv4? Why it is not showing anything? So, no, inbound rules. In a remote PC you have to do it, not here. In a remote PC you have to do it, not here. Still it is not showing that one. Actually it is like this one only, multi-listener. ICMP IPv4 is there, so that is you have to allow it. Okay, yeah, like this, echo request. So these are the rules already in green color, so both side it should be allowed, both inbound and outbound rules. So it should be allowed ICMP v4, because we are using IPv4. And echo request means ping request, and as well as a file and sharing request also depends upon this one. So this is the thing, it is already allowed, action is allowed. So okay, so if it is not allowed, then we make it allowed, or check in a rules in a internet and we can find it. Both side it should be check it. One more point is there, that is again go to control panel, file and sharing. Okay, where is network and sharing center? Go to network and sharing center. Okay, ping is going on, like ping showing proper output, but still you can't able to open the sharing. Okay, then go to control panel, network and sharing center, change advanced sharing settings. Change advanced sharing settings, click on here. Okay, just wait. Then can you see turn on network discovery? So if it is off, turn on it. Turn on file and printer sharing. Turn on file and printer sharing in all profile. This is a public, current profile is public now in this PC. So in private also turn on network discovery, turn on file and sharing. So compulsory you should do it, then only you can able to share the data, and also you can receive the data also. Both side make sure that it is open. So that is a troubleshooting things. So in a, this is actually we have to do it in our PC. So here also I will show you. So first of all I'm going to CMD, pinging from there to here only, not from here to there, but I am pinging from here to there also. So both side pinging should be there, so then it become clear path. What is your ping? Our remote PC is connected to our network or not, both PCs are in same network or not. Ping tell you both can able to communicate each other or not. Very important question. This a ping is very small thing, okay, but it is very important question. It is, what is a ping command? Ping will tell you whether source and destination communicate or not. Okay, so it will tell you whether both the pieces can communicate each other or not, both source and destination can able to communicate each other or not. Ping. Ping uses ICMP protocol. Okay, next. Already I told control panel. Okay, then one I told firewalls, Windows firewall. And can you see? Okay, I will increase little bit more, I think. Okay, file turn Windows firewall on or off. Firewall is on already, but you can off if in case if you are not get communicated by other PCs. Okay, firewall is blocking your ping command, so then you can do it. Okay, but now it is not blocking, so I'm using, no problem. Again, I'm going to control panel, network and internet, or a network and sharing center. Change advanced sharing settings. Change advanced sharing settings. Click here. So make sure, see here it is. Turn network discovery. Turn on network discovery. It is in off. Turn on network discovery. But file and sharing is already on. That's why we can able to access it. Then go to private. Make sure that everything is on. Turn on network discovery. Turn on file and sharing center. Save changes. It's blocking the view. Okay. So that is a troubleshooting we can able to do in a network and sharing part. Okay, and one more I want to show you one thing here. So this is a network, so click on the network. You can see the PCs which is connected here. I didn't think so there is a two PCs, but this is my physical PC, and either of this one is virtual PC. Okay, so what is my computer name? I have to check it once again. I'm going to first one. I don't know. This is my C1 PC. This is my first PC, student one. So you don't need to get a IP address also if you give proper name. Okay, see, directly I got the thing. So go to network. If you network, turn on network discovery is there, no? Turn on network discovery, guys. Turn on network discovery is there. If both the PCs are having turn on network discovery, you can find the remote PCs also. You can find the remote PCs also. This is my main PC, right? So I'm going to anything. Go to network side. This is network. Click on network. You try to find. Initially, it is not showing anything. It will take time. Again, it will find the network in our PC because now only we turn on the network discovery. Okay, you try to discover all the networks, or maybe problem with any other things. Firewall also will block that discovering protocol. Okay, not yet came, so it will come. It will take time, at least few, at least 5-10 minutes. It will take. Sometimes it will take more. So, like I'll go to my PC also. So I'm putting a network. Mm, this is my PC, my personal, my laptop. It is taking a lot of time. It will work. Okay. So meantime, want to say. So guys, this is about your sharing thing. So um, already I done. So okay, this one. And of course, I put a share name and all, but I want to tell only thing. I created a. I create. I created data 3 and I share data 3 as data $3. That's the only difference. Now if you want to access at client side, okay, at C1 side, so slash slash 192.168.2 dot, this is at win C1 side, okay, win C1 side, 227 slash data $3, like this you can able to access. And also I told about map driving, okay, map network drive. Okay, what is this, like so I click on a share one, okay, then I right click on a share one, so I select map network drive. That's it. I use username and password, map network drive, and go to this PC. There you can find the drive letter, assign drive letter. So go to this PC, verify. Next I told troubleshooting. So first of all, ping to remote PC. Example, ping to my PC 192.168.2.227. It means I am pinging from win, no, from C1 only. I'm doing from C1. That's the thing. Ping remote PC. Okay, so here. Okay. Next, if anything problem, any problem is there, then disable firewall. If you got problem, then only disable firewall. Otherwise, don't disable it. Firewall is try to protect you. Okay. Another one is control panel, network, and sharing center. Guys, you can also speak. Help me because I can't remember everything. Even I can remember, but while typing it is very difficult. Okay. So control panel, network and sharing center. Change advanced. What it is? I forget. Okay. In that came, so control panel, network and sharing center, advanced sharing settings. Because you have, whenever they ask a question, networking side is very important, guys. Everything is there. Advanced sharing, sharing center. Whatever the center spelling it is, you can look at. Okay, sharing center, and find out. Turn on network discovery. Turn on network discovery. Next, and turn on file and sharing, something, okay, no? So that is, make sure that turn on in all the profile, both public, private, and profiles. Okay, so this is the one way of troubleshooting. Okay, so to make sure that pinging are working or not, if you got a problem in pinging, disable firewall or create an exception. Okay, and go to the sharing center. Pinging is okay now. Ping is once okay, then go to the sharing center. So check it, turn on network discovery, turn on file and sharing. Okay, so these are main thing in a file sharing troubleshooting. So while you are accessing, so this thing we should do it in a main PC or maybe both PCs. Pinging from remote PC, like both side. So I'm not saying in a year only, but try in a both side, then better problem will be solved. Okay. So your username, password, IP address, make sure that is correct. Okay, so username, IP address and password for that one correctly are you doing, that is a very important here. I recollect something but meantime I forget something. Okay, so no problem. That is about your turn on network sharing thing. Okay, it took like little bit time now, so we'll try. Okay, nothing is coming here, it's no problem. Okay, properly shared or not, that is useless. Okay, this is it guys. If you have any doubts please ask me. Take lunch break, it is already a lot of time over. Okay, so I'm stopping the record also.